Today we're going to continue working on our smaller unknown comparing word problems. Our problem is Kate has 15 fewer joules than Molly. Molly has 38 joules. How many joules does Kate have? So I've got to answer these questions at the top. Who has greater? Well, if Kate has 15 fewer joules than Molly, I know Kate's not the one who has the greater number of joules. Molly is, because Kate has a fewer number of joules than Molly. So Molly would be my answer to this question. Who has fewer? Kate has 15 fewer joules than Molly. So I know Kate is the one with the fewer number of joules. I'm going to use my answers to these questions to write my greater, fewer, difference equation. First, I need to know my greater number. Who has greater? It's Molly. What does the problem say about Molly? Molly has 38 joules. So I know how many Molly has, and I can fill in my 38. Who has fewer? I need to look at that number next. I know that's Kate. Kate has 15 fewer joules than Molly. Well, I know that Kate has 15 fewer, but I don't know what number of joules Kate has. That's actually my question. So I'm going to put my symbol right there. Next, I'm going to look at my difference. So what is the difference between the number of joules that Kate has and the number of joules that Molly has? If Kate has 15 fewer joules than Molly, that's going to be my difference. So I'm going to fill in my 15 right there. My next job is to switch around my equation so that my symbol's at the end so that I can solve it. If I look up here, which one is my biggest number? Well, if this is a subtraction problem, I know that my biggest number comes first. So my biggest number is going to be 38, which means if my biggest number can't be at the end anymore because my symbol is at the end, my 38 has to stay where it is at the beginning. Which also means since my biggest number is staying at the beginning, this is still going to be a subtraction problem. My other number to fill in is 15. So to solve for the missing number, I'm going to take away 15 from 38. So I'm going to draw 38, 3 tens, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight ones. I need to take away 5 ones from my 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I need to take away 1 10. So now I have to see what's left. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to double count. 1, 2, 3. Put a 3 in my ones place. 1, 2, 10s left. I'm going to put a 2 in my tens place, which means that my missing number is 23. So I'm not finished yet. I'm going to write my sentence at the bottom. My question is asking me, how many joules does Kate have? Kate has 23 joules.